Career clarity comes from determining your passion, purpose, expertise, and then defining your career vision and mission. Hi, I'm Sushant Gaonkar, iconic career mentor, India's top career counselor award recipient, and #1 best-selling author of the book Iconic Career. In this video, I'm going to talk about the second component, that is purpose. What is purpose and how do you identify your purpose in life and career? We are all born to fulfill a higher purpose. Each one of us has unique skills, strengths, and talents that we can use in a unique way to solve the unique needs of people around us. When our work is aligned with our purpose, it becomes fulfilling and meaningful. In order to determine your purpose, you need to ask these three fundamental questions. Number one, what type of problems in the world are you emotionally connected with and want to solve for others? Number two, how can you utilize your unique skills, strengths, and talents in solving problems in the world? Number three, in what way can you make the lives of people better? My early career years were quite frustrating because in spite of trying different career paths, different roles, I could not get that much desired clarity in my career. And then when I started working on this problem, I figured out a systematic approach to determining my ideal career path and building an iconic career. Then it came to a point where I realized that I am very passionate about solving this problem, not just for myself, but for others as well. So then, empowering working professionals and graduates to build an iconic career became the purpose of my life and career. I hope you find this video insightful. If you would like to determine your purpose in a structured manner and get career clarity, feel free to reach out. Thanks. Bye.